In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Google Docs and PDFs from Hubspot in less than 60 seconds. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are at your main dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see the settings icon that looks like a gear. Click that gear to open your account settings. Once you are in settings, look to the left sidebar and find Integrations. Click Integrations and then select Connected Apps. This is where Hubspot manages the tools you have linked to your account, like document storage and productivity apps. Next, you will add the connection you need. In the Connected Apps area, click the option to add more connections. A search field will appear, so you can quickly find the right integration. Type Google Drive, then choose Google Drive from the results and install it. During installation, you may be asked to sign in to your Google account and approve permissions. This is normal, and it allows Hubspot to create files in your drive and attach them to the right records. It is a good idea to confirm you are connecting the correct Google account before you approve anything. After Google Drive is connected, you are ready to create documents right from a record. Open any contact record or any deal record in Hubspot. You can do this from your Contacts or Deals menu, then click into the specific record you want. On the record page, look at the right-hand sidebar. You will see a Google Drive card there. This card is the shortcut that lets you create or attach files without leaving Hubspot. On that Google Drive card, click Add. At this point, you will see your file options. Select Create New Google Doc if you want a fresh document that you can edit in Google Docs, or select Upload a PDF if you already have a finished file that you want stored and associated with this contact or deal. Take a moment to verify you are in the correct record before you create or upload, since that is what keeps your documents organized and easy to find later. And that covers everything you need to know.